Hey, hi everyone. I'm Ronak Doshi, partner with Everest Group, and with our technology and services team here. And I'm talking to Sangamesh here. He goes by Sangha. He's the lead analyst on our enterprise platform services program. Hey, Sangha, how are you?
Hi Ronak, I'm good. How are you?
Hey, doing well. And again, thank you for joining me and kind of doing this discussion because I'm seeing you and your team are doing some fantastic work. You've been doing several assessments, assessing all these large system integrators and specialist service providers, more than 40 plus of these across platforms such as Salesforce, ServiceNow, Pega, SAP S4HANA, Microsoft Dynamics 365, and even Oracle Cloud Applications. So you've been doing a lot of work. And one of the interesting aspect of your work has been to talking to a lot of customers and understanding what are their pain points, what are their challenges, what are their satisfaction levers in working with the technology providers as well as the overall services, integrator ecosystem. So I thought it would be good to get a perspective from you in terms of what are you seeing from the expectations of enterprises from the technology providers and how has that been evolving?
Sure, Ronak. So what we have done is we have analyzed and clustered all the qualitative and quantitative feedback from the clients into 5 expectation pillars, ensuring that the voice of the enterprises is heard. You can see here, firstly on the licensing constructs. It's typically noticed pain points from enterprises. They see that the technology providers are bundling the licenses across products to cross-sell and upsell. They want it to be usage-based, flexible model along with an easy governance structure, highlighting the utilization and thus helping enterprises optimize license spend. Another aspect is our enterprises expect that the product suite to be stable and mature from functionality standpoint. They also want to get actively involved in the development, product development itself along with technology providers to ensure that the product that is getting built can be easily consumed by them. And the third factor that we are seeing is around integration and customization. It's about out-of-the-box integrations and keeping the customizations low. Even the technology providers and service providers push for minimum customizations so that the upgrades and bug fixes are easy and cost-effective. And on the integration front, it becomes a challenge when the IT real estate is complex and data needs to be shared across platforms and legacy systems. So here the expectation is to have a built-in ready-to-use configurations. Other aspect that we are seeing is also around talent. So we are seeing talent crunch in almost every industry and geography. Enterprises expect availability of enough talent pool, a partner training program, and effective community in order to drive conversations among developers, consultants, thought leaders, and enterprises. And the last one that we see here is user adoption, where enterprises expect the user experience to be simple and intuitive, especially when one moves from legacy to standardized SaaS version with the limited customization.
So this is exciting and I think very interesting. And again, as I was looking at the scores that you have, right, in terms of overall satisfaction score, it's kind of fit to see, right? One is the talent as an area, which is where the overall satisfaction score is low because of the overall shortage, but also the commercial structure, the licensing is another area which we should explore more. So Sangha, I think we need to kind of continue the conversation here and make a few more videos to talk about and unpack a lot of this. But again, I just wanted to thank you for taking our time and doing this. This is really informative and really helpful to just understand enterprise demand themes from the technology providers here.